Our unit is not a portable unit. We do have to park in your driveway or somewhere where we can bring in our hoses. So we don't use typically a portable machine in most residential houses. Something like this is what other cleaners might use, a portable unit, as compared to the truck mount. You can see the size difference. Definitely not as much power with this portable machine as the truck mount, but it does allow you to get into harder to reach spaces because you are limited with this with how much hose you have, and the more hose you add on can lower the suction, especially of the vacuum line. But you lose the benefit of that extra heat, extra pressure, and better suction from the truck mount. But you can get up way upstairs or something like that, or up in a apartment that's hard to get to, something like that. Portable unit like this is probably the best bet for apartments or that type of cleaning where it's a little bit longer and more difficult to set up. So yes, we do need a spot to park. Usually closest to the house as we can get. That way we can use less hose if possible, which will maximize the cleaning.